G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Parravans Caravan World in Windsor, and I want to show you the River Diamantina. Isn't it just fabulous? Now the big thing is it comes with an extended chassis, so if you want to put in a toolbox, it's already allowed for. There's the space there. But if you want more storage, this tunnel boot is sensational. And I've got fabulous storage here. Maybe you've got your picnic tables, maybe you've got your chairs. There's the slots directly there for them. Just fabulous. Come inside. Isn't this a nice van? Isn't it nice? It's the River Diamantina. Comes with so many wonderful, wonderful features, including this club lounge, which is excellent. But there's other things. Over here, you've got filtered water. That's a great thing. Where your bedside lights are, there's a USB point there, so you can charge up your smart devices while you're sleeping. Brilliant. Outside shower, you know when you come back and you've been fishing or playing or you're dirty or whatever and you don't want to come inside, or the kids are with you and you don't want to bring all sand inside, there's an outside shower there. That's brilliant. Air conditioning, of course. Have a look at the lighting that we've got coming in now, even the lighting under the skylight. Let me tell you about a couple of other things. The outside is so excellent, but you can choose your colour. The wheels, they've got an accent of colour. You can choose those as well. Importantly, there's a grey water tank. And here's something, look at this. Looks like a drawer, can be a drawer. That goes in there. And I can now sit back and just watch telly. Fabulous kitchen, but look at this. This is just outstanding. Be it pantry, be it pantry. Of course, you've got these lovely hot plates here. They're already done. And you've got a terrific grill area with the Australian flag, that's important. Then you've got your stainless steel sink, plenty more bench space here. See how this is all bench space? So when you're not cooking, when you're not actually using the hot plates, you've got the bench space. Down here, fabulous fridge area. This is terrific. The Fusion, that's your Bluetooth radio. So that goes through the speakers on the inside and also on the outside. You can choose. Coming through to your club lounge now, and then we go to the bathroom, and the bathroom is just luxe. This is a lovely luxury bathroom. You've got a window, plus you've got an exhaust fan above the toilet, which is really good. Then, full linen press. Excellent. Over here, the washing machine, of course you've got the vanity, you've got all your power points, more storage up here, and then the shower, it has its own exhaust fan as well, and it's just lovely. So you'll have a really good time with the River Diamantina. Hey, to find out more about the River Diamantina, you've got to come to Parravans Caravan World at Windsor. Just give them a call, send them an email. They're terrific. You'll love working with them. And when you get your new Diamantina, it comes fully prepped and they'll give you a total handover. They're wonderful people.